Okay, this time let's generate cruise grids on multiple polygons. The process is similar to what we've done before. We're going to select our first polygon, click the grid generate button, set the parameters, create the grid. Okay, then we're going to choose the second polygon, click the grid generate button, adjust our parameters, but this time we're going to make sure that our starting X index, which is the starting point number, is going to pick up where our last waypoint file left off, so that we can be assured that we have unique plot IDs. Okay, then we're going to add the new grid points to an existing waypoint file. Okay, so it sounds complicated, it's really not. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have a sample solo project set up where I've got two shapefile polygons. Okay, I've got my stylus use step for stylus selects base map feature because this is a shapefile, and I'm going to start with the northernmost polygon. Okay, so now with that selected, I'm going to click the grid generate button, and I'm going to go to change settings. Let's just make this 4x4. Okay, so it's going to create 10 waypoints by looking at the number of cells. Okay, so I'm going to come down, I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to hit the grid generate button. I'm going to leave my my labeling sequential. Starting index is 1, no labeling prefix. Okay, and I'll hit OK. I'm going to let the name default to the name of my project, which is Jones 3, and I'll hit OK. Alright, so there is my new waypoint file. There's 10 plots in there. Okay, so now I'm ready to select the next shape file, or the next polygon I should say, same shape file, just different polygon. And now I'm going to generate a cruise grid on it, and I'm going to add those waypoints to the currently loaded waypoint file. Okay, so here we go. Click on the grid generate button. I'm going to change my settings. Just verify. Okay, it's a 4x4 as it was last time. Maybe this is good enough, and I'll leave it at a 4x4. So we're going to create 12 waypoints in this particular one. And but remember that the last waypoint file had 10 waypoints in it. Okay, so I'm going to start my count for this next one at 11. So I'll hit OK right here. I'm going to hit the generate grid button, and I'm going to leave my labeling on sequential. My starting X index is going to be 11, and I'm going to choose add to existing file. Okay, so from here I'll hit OK. It'll ask me which file do I want to add it to. I'm going to choose Jones 3 because that is the one that we created earlier. And now you'll see that I've got waypoints in both polygons, and these are indeed in the same file, and these plot IDs are unique, and I can begin cruising. Hope that helps.